Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
O Vidur, thus always meditating upon her son, the Supreme Personality of Godhead Kapildev, she very soon became unattached to her nicely decorated home. Here is a practical example of how one can elevate oneself in spiritual advancement by Krishna consciousness. Kapildev is Krishna, and he appeared as the son of Devhuti. After Kapildev left home, Devhuti was absorbed in thought of him, and thus she was always Krishna conscious. Her constant situation in Krishna consciousness enabled her to be detached from hearth and home. Unless we are able to transfer our attachment to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, there is no possibility of becoming freed from material attachment. The Srimad Bhagwatam, therefore, confirms that it is not possible for one to become liberated by cultivation of empiric philosophical speculation. Simply knowing that one is not matter, but spirit-soul, or Brahm, does not purify one's intelligence. Even if the impersonalist reaches the highest platform of spiritual realization, he falls down again to material attachment because of not being situated in the transcendental loving service of the Supreme Lord. The devotees adopt the devotional process, hearing about the Supreme Lord's pastimes and glorifying his activities, and thereby always remembering his beautiful eternal form. By rendering service, becoming his friend or his servant, and offering him everything that one possesses, one is able to enter into the kingdom of God. As it is said in Bhagavad Gita, Tato mam tattvato jnatva, after discharging pure devotional service, one can understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead in fact, and thus one becomes eligible to enter into his association in one of the spiritual planets.